Select the default cube, and type X to delete. We need a UV sphere. That was close. I'll activate the screencast modifier again. Tab, to go to edit mode. Let's select the top and the bottom vertices. Let's activate the proportional editing, S, and Z, to scale in the Z-axis. Please use the mouse wheel to increase or decrease the affected editing region. Let's add the array modifier. We need 2 of them. "30 will do. Let's apply the modifiers. I use Ctrl+A, while hovering the cursor over them to activate the modifiers. Tab, to go to edit mode, A, to select all, and P, to separate by loose parts. Tab, to go to object mode, and move the origin to geometry like this. M, to put all the meshes into one collection. Let's add the usual gradient material. It's better to apply the material before applying the modifiers. I'll show you how to copy the material from this to the rest of the meshes. Let's make the camera unselectable, type A, to select all the meshes, and shift-select the mesh with the material. We can copy the material like this. Let's go to the Proportional Editing's option window and select Random. If we scale this mesh in the middle proportionally, we can have this cool random effect. We need to increase the camera's clip end value. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.